This AI tool is quietly making people money while they sleep, not influencers, not experts, regular beginners, and most people are using it completely wrong. Here's the truth, making money with AI is not about doing more work. It's about setting up the right systems once. In this video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly AI tools that can generate income in the background. No advanced skills. No tech experience, and no fake guru promises. If you've tried making money online before and felt lost, this is where things finally start to make sense. Most people fail because they chase complicated methods. They think harder equals better. It doesn't. The tools I'm about to show you work because they do the heavy lifting for you, and the last one is the easiest to start, but almost nobody uses it correctly. Let's start with the first one. This AI tool helps people make money by creating content, without creating content. Most people assume content means writing or recording videos. That's where they quit. The tool is called AI Content Repurposing, and here's how it works. You take existing content that's already proven to work, blogs, videos, podcasts. Then AI rewrites it into new formats, short posts, emails, scripts. You're not starting from zero. You're improving what already works. People use this to sell services on freelancing platforms, others build niche pages that earn from ads and affiliate links. The mistake most beginners make is trying to be original. Originality is overrated at the start. What matters is speed and consistency. But this only works if you focus on one niche. If you don't, the AI output becomes useless. In a moment, I'll show you an AI tool that earns money without posting anything at all. But before that, let's talk about the second method. This one is for people who hate selling. It's AI-powered affiliate marketing, but not the way you've seen before. Most people try to promote random products. That's why they make nothing. The smarter approach is letting AI analyze demand first. AI tools can now scan search trends, reviews, and buyer intent. They tell you exactly what people are already looking for. You then create simple landing pages. No design skills. No coding. AI writes the copy. AI optimizes it. AI even suggests where to promote it. Your job is just connecting the pieces. Here's where people mess up: they promote too many products at once. That kills trust, and trust is what converts. Focus on one problem. One solution. If you do that, this method can earn passively for months. Now, the third tool looks boring. That's why it works. It's AI-powered digital product creation. Most people think digital products mean courses. That's wrong. Simple templates, checklists, guides, these sell every day. AI can create them in minutes. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to organize information clearly. People pay for clarity, not genius. You can sell these on marketplaces that already have traffic. No ads. No audience. The biggest mistake beginners make here is overcomplicating the product. More pages don't mean more value. Clear steps do. And once the product is uploaded, it can sell while you're offline. Next is the tool that most people completely ignore. AI-powered niche websites. Not blogs, not news sites. Small, focused websites that answer very specific questions. AI helps you find low-competition topics, then it creates optimized content. You add ads or affiliate links. That's it. Most people think this takes months to work. It doesn't. If the niche is right, traffic starts quickly. But here's the warning. If you target broad topics, you'll fail. AI can't save bad targeting. Small niche, specific problem. That's the formula. And now, the final tool. This is the one beginners love, and also the one they mess up the most. AI automation for faceless videos. Short videos, long videos. No camera. No microphone. AI writes the script. AI generates visuals. AI adds voiceover. People use this for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. The income comes from ads, affiliates, and brand deals. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people fail because they copy trends blindly. They chase viral formats instead of building systems. The smart way is creating evergreen content that stays relevant. AI helps you scale that fast. Once a video works, you repeat it, improve it, automate it. That's how channels grow without burning out. Now let's connect everything. All 5 methods work for one reason: they reduce effort after setup. You don't get paid for time, you get paid for structure. AI is not the income. AI is the leverage. If you're just starting, don't try all 5. Pick one, commit for 30 days, improve weekly. That's how people actually win online. In the next video, I'll break down the fastest one to start with zero experience, step by step. Subscribe if you want methods that actually work long term.